Hi everyone, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Hing. Today we're going to be making Shrikhand. It's one of my favorite recipes and I love eating Shrikhand, and so I decided to share this with you. The ingredients we're using today for our Shrikhand is curd, powdered sugar, nutmeg powder, elaichi powder, saffron or kesar, some blanched almond and pistachio, some charoti seeds and milk. Shrikhand we need hung curd. So in a muslin cloth, in a strainer, I'm going to put in my curd and strain this for a good 3 to 4 hours. We want a nice thick hung curd. So I put my curd in this muslin cloth and I'm going to hang this for about 3 to 4 hours till we get a nice thick curd. This is how our curd looks after about 3 hours. So all the water has been removed and it's a nice thick curd. Now to start making our Shrikhand, I will mix in my hung curd in batches in a strainer or a sieve with my powdered sugar. I'm going to strain this. We do this step to ensure that our yogurt is nice and smooth, and this gives a nice fluffiness to our Shrikhand, and the sugar mixes well. Yogurt and powdered sugar mix is ready after being sieved. Now I'm going to just mix my saffron into little warm milk. I'm going to add my milk and saffron mixture into my yogurt and sugar mix, my nutmeg powder, some cardamom or elaichi powder, and give this a good mix. Is ready. I'm going to put this in my bowl in which I need to serve it. Garnish with almonds and pistachios and some charoti seeds. Now that our Shrikhand is ready, I hope you enjoy eating this lovely light dessert chilled in this summer season. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Now that our Shrikhand is ready, I hope you enjoy eating this lovely light dessert chilled in this summer season. Thank you for watching. See you soon.